Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bugs Coins, and I have another selection of coins from the Falkland Islands. In the last one I showed you this coin, which is a £1 12-sided coin that was issued in 2020. It was the first coin in the Falklands of the £1 variety that had the 12 sides. On the bottom is in the silver section in the centre of the bimetallic coin, there is a sheep at the top of the shield, and then at the bottom of the shield there is a sailing ship on the water, which is the Falklands crest. So I bought two just so I had them here. Now I will only be showing this side the once. I have 4 coins to show you. It's the Falkland Islands 2021. And it is a second set of penguins. This one is the king penguin. Now the difference between this set and the set I've shown in the first series is that these are all full-length pictures of the penguins. This one's the king penguin, quite a large sight, and it shows 2 king penguins as in part of their mating ritual. The second coin from this series is the Magellan penguin, and it shows the Magellan penguin swimming. Very nice coin again. The third coin is a Gentoo penguin, and it shows a Gentoo penguin family together. The fourth coin is the rockhopper penguin with its wings out, showing its wings fully out. I'm not sure why, but there seems to be, and I don't know where it is, I think I am a coin down, because the other set had 5 coins in. So I'll have to go off and try and find that other coin now. But these are the 5 coins. Let me just widen this out so you can see them. Again, this one was series 1. The other one I did was series 2. Oh, tell a lie. This one only had 4. I just found the paperwork that goes with it. You got the rockhopper, Gentoo king, and Magellan penguins, and there was only the one. There was only 4 in the set. So this is a full set of coins. What do you think of them? Would you want them as part of your collection? I know I'm very happy to have them in mine. And if Christina is watching, I'm sure she probably already has this set. Christina being, of course, a pocket poet. What do you think? Do you like them? Tell me in the comments below what you think of the set. I'm looking to grow my channel this year, and so if you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel and you believe I deserve it, I would be very happy to have you as a subscriber and to follow me through my journey through coins, banknotes, collectibles and militaria. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. So for those of you buying coins, I hope you can find the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And lastly, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something either in my backlog of in my back catalogue of videos, or even in the next few weeks going forward. I'd love to see you again on the channel, and until we do meet up again, from me, ta-ra now, bye bye.